What's good, everybody? My name is Bosco from Your House Fitness, and that right there is what we call the switch kick. So this is a very important kick because oftentimes we're caught in that clinch position, but we don't want to stop the match. We don't want to reset. We want to take advantage of this. So instead of just waiting, we're going to attack first. From here, it's almost like you're pushing with your hand, but you're not. You're going to have your fist and switch your feet at the same time. But instead, we're going to switch and kick at the same time. So it's almost like this. We're in a match, switch our feet, boom, like an explosive kick. We want to catch them off guard, and we want to take our point. So I'm going to show you guys one more time. We're close, switch, and lean back. Notice how my head leaned backwards? If I stayed here, boom, they could get me too. So we're going to make sure our upper body is leaning back, boom, and take our space. And if you like that, like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.